He's got best car, hasn't he?
It's not bad at all.
Hey then! I hope you can hear me. Al's excited. George is freezing. Just at home to look at this view. Got the Touring V10, the Yeti, the V6 Max here driving it. I'm sure you can't hear me.
What's my off-road button do?
What are we stuck on? Oh, he's going for it. So happy you ain't got diff locks. Oh yes. So this is how you properly do it. That's meant to let it, yes, it looks doesn't it? Yeah. Yeah, I don't think there's any chance at Yeti getting up this. This is a bit more next level. That made Yeti look beast, isn't it?
Easy peasy. I want one.
They're awesome these, aren't they? What do you reckon to Yeti then?
Yeah, alright.
Like a mountain goat up that bit there. You know,
At one point I did think we were going to struggle on this.
what pressures you got in tyre?
That's an old tyre, probably got 40 psi in it.
Yeah. Loves it, doesn't it? It looks like it's bouncing you about a bit.
Yeah, a little bit. I'm surprised on ground clearance.
Yeah, you just literally skimmed underneath
There's a lot
on that bit.
that we've come up to and I thought, I'm going to hear this underneath.
Yeah.
But
No, it's been good.
And then we were like, we're not going up that bit over. I said, yeah.
You can smell it.
Yeah, you've definitely been getting clutch some hammer. What do you reckon to Yeti, boys?
It was on purpose. On purpose it was got that. Maybe a bit. See, I just had
You just fell over. What's highlighted it there?
No, I just slipped off and sat down. Took a few shots, they're all artistic that, Max.
Loves it, doesn't it? Oh, man. I can't believe it got straight up there. I was around it and then this is where I broke down that time.
Is it?
It broke here and I had to get it all the way to there with it. See what the Yeti's got to get over. Bit of cross axle in here. Need plenty of articulation. The Touareg's not even good enough for this really. That's where I broke down last time. This is it.
This is it. Don't get scared now.
She's on the side. That's clutch smoke, that. Yeah. That clutch, is that all clutch, do you think? You can smell a barbecue. No, that's Danny's clutch. You've got nature's toy, Aldi. This is why you need a low range box so you don't use clutch. Oh, it does smell a bit, that. It's because it's new as well though, isn't it?
Yeah. Still be wearing it. Yeti, but there's no way a Yeti is going to be up here.
Thing is, Touaregs do make it look a bit.
Do you two think? It's alright, isn't it?
Was it? Easy.
Not bad, huh? Yeti of dreams. I'm actually surprised how well it did.
I'm shocked, to be honest. I thought we'd have to get towed at least once.
We didn't even need receiver edge.
first scrape. It is. I did aim for it though.
Got to leave your mark on it. I think we're making history.
We are. I think that's the most off-road a Yeti's ever been.
I never will, apart from this.
Till next time. Considering this has done on 194,000 miles as well.
How much more I want in life is there really than a Yeti?
That's it, people are going to be selling Defenders and buying Yetis.
That's what I mean. It's going to change off-roading world.
Unsuitable for motor vehicles. Luckily, Yeti is an off-road pedigree. I think these curbs are like a qualifier. Like, if you can't get over curbs, you can't come up this highway.
I was going to put into wind, I'm going to wait.
Bah!
So guys, in the Yeti, just been off-roading, how did you find it?
It's an absolute monster, this Yeti. Says this Yeti's been places Yeti should never go, really. Quite impressed with it. Oh, it's not bad, it's upside down, yeah.
Just want your thoughts on
about it.
Just want some thoughts on Yeti.
It's brilliant.
Just fantastic.
Best car I've ever owned.
So that's a word of a wise man. We're going to finish it off as off-roading. See you in a bit.
So we've come out on this first off-roading trip with Rye and Mella. We've got Liv. Say hi, Liv.
Hi.
Maxwell just chomping away. But we're enjoying it. It's fun. The Yeti is getting everywhere where we expected it wouldn't, so that's a bonus. So yeah, we're having a good time.
You haven't got right, have you? It's a footpath. It's only wide enough to get a bicycle through there. So it's a bicycle, right? Get off the car. You have driven through there, and you've damaged trees. The only way you can possibly get a car through there is by damaging trees. Yeah. It's not a road. It's not a road. It's not a road. You guys who like to do this as a hobby, yeah. It's a footpath. It's a footpath. You know you're wrong. You know you're doing wrong in reality, don't you? You know you're doing wrong. You're destroying a footpath. You're widening a footpath. You're destroying it. In reality, it's a footpath. The law is one thing. Just because it says whatever, you know, what you call this a byway, doesn't mean you can drive on it. Look at it in reality. It's very narrow, it's got trees on it. It's a footpath. I know what the law is. I'm telling you what the moral. A big one. I'm telling you. Do you know what? I ride a mountain bike, right? I go loads of places. No, I go loads of places where walkers object, right? And if they object, no. And if they object, I'll say right. And I have a discussion with them. And if yeah? Jesus Christ. Big guy. As you were driving through that top bit where the trees were already having to push through and they were scratching the side of your car, I can see where they've scratched there. Did you not think, oh, perhaps I shouldn't be driving down here because it's not wide enough for a car? Why not? Because you've got the law on your side, haven't you? And it isn't just about the law. So if the law says I can do it, you know, because you've got so annoyed. If you thought you were justified in what you're doing, well, you wouldn't have stopped, would you, if I hadn't stood in front of you? This is it. This is what it's all about to you, isn't it? It's about law, isn't it?
What an helmet!
Driver, photographer number 1, photographer number 2. Yeti ill descent. Happy days.
So cameras are running low. Mark's had a good time. Kids have had a good time. Maxwell's still on his iPad. He's had a play though. So the Yeti has done exactly what it needed to do. We've not had the Toro part once. This pointless mod. Not even needed to use it. Yeah, kids have had a good time. Locked in. You had a good time, boys? Yeah. Yes. We'll not talk about that absolute womble that got in the way. I said a few things I shouldn't have said, but originally all I said to him was, initially should I say, all I said to him was, just leave us alone, got my kids in my car, let us go about his business. And he wanted to hold on to my door, hold on to my window, not let me do what I wanted to do, which is very annoying. Didn't know what point he had. He says, I know you're allowed to be on here, but you shouldn't be on here. But anyway, whether we put any of that footage in, I don't know. What he needed was just a swift one under the chin, and that'd have solved all his problems. But anyway, let's go. Landy's trying to get down lane. We'll get a burger. Lou and Joe's, I think.